Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to create a Google form on your mobile phone. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome browser on your device. Now, tap the search bar, type forms.google.com and press search. Once the page loads, you'll see an empty form. Tap on Untitled Form and give your form a name. Next, add a description to provide context about the form. After that, tap on Untitled Question and type your preferred question. Now, enter the answer choices, adding as many options as needed for the question. At the bottom of the question, turn on the toggle next to Required to make the question mandatory. To add more questions, tap the plus icon at the bottom and repeat the same steps for each question. Once you're done, tap the arrow icon at the top. Now, tap Publish from the pop-up menu. After that, the form's link will appear. Simply tap Copy to copy the link and share it with your friends and family. That's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.